Thibaut Grosso is being piloted to the front by Jonas Ricard, who shakes his head, and now Thibaut Grosso has to get onto the wheel of the Bike 8 rider. 200 meters to go. All of a sudden, the sprint is there. Through the middle, it's Matteo Malucelli, and also Alexander Kristoff is out there. Malucelli, Kristoff, Elie Viviane on the outside. Elie Viviane, Kristoff, it is Elie Viviane. Viviane wins his first race in the jersey of Lotto. A typical Elie Viviane sprint. All of a sudden, he was there.